Hi, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. Let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. You guys, I am officially a brand ambassador for Too Cute Nail Supply. I will be sure to leave my link and my code down below. So if you guys are interested in checking out anything on their site, you guys can save a few coins with my code. And because the package was a little big, I did have to take everything out, and I'm just going to show it one by one. So starting first, we have some nail forms, which I really was happy to get. These go up to 3XL, I believe, so you get pretty long length of nails. And I haven't tried nail forms, so I am interested in trying them. So definitely stay tuned for that. Next, we have some cuticle oil, and I believe it was rose scent. It wasn't super strong in the smell, but that doesn't really matter to me. It did apply really smooth and nice, so that was good. I had to apply a little bit because my cuticles were a little crusty. Anyways, moving on. After that, next, I did get some chrome powder, which I can't wait to try out. I already have some chrome powder, you guys, but I have not used it yet. Have not even opened it yet. So I'm interested in trying it out, hopefully in a future upload. You do get the chrome powder and then the little application brush, which the little brush, or like a little, I don't know what you would call it. It reminds me of like a eyeshadow brush, the thing you use to put your eyeshadow on. So yeah. Anyways, next we got some nail embellishments. We got some little charms and some little rhinestones, which was super cute. Next, I got two 100-180 files and then also buffers as well. And I got some little neon colored letters, like different mixed colors. I thought that was so cute. Like, yeah, I can't wait to use those. Those are really cute. It's giving like spring or summer because of the colors, but yeah. Next, we got some holographic butterflies, which, I mean, can't go wrong with those. Now, this was my ultimate fave, you guys. I've been wanting some designer foils or stickers for so long, and I was too happy to receive these. Like, yeah, I have a few favorites in here that I cannot wait to use, so stay tuned for that as well. We also did get some cuticle cutters, and my next favorite will be the nail mat, because this is very useful. Like, for me, I'm just now starting out using acrylic, so that will be perfect practice, I feel like. And so I was really happy to receive that as well. And these nail mats, you guys, I've seen them on Amazon like a lot of times, but I've just never purchased one. But now that I am getting into acrylic, I feel like this could be very useful for me. So yeah, moving on. Next, I got two acrylics. The first one was the Everyday Nude, and then the second one, which is my ultimate fave, is called Hot Flames. I'm going to do a quick swatch of them, and then I'll give you guys a close-up, and we'll jump right into the set. So the consistency of this acrylic was really nice. I've seen people use it on Instagram, and I've seen them, you know, like swatch different colors, and it always looks so smooth and buttery. And once I received it, like, I was not disappointed at all. It was very smooth, very buttery. And here's just a quick look at them. I love the hot flames with the little foils in it. Like, yeah, that's a vibe for me. So yeah, I am going to leave everything linked down below, and if you guys want to check it out, once again, you guys can use my code. I just really did enjoy using it. It was really nice. So I did go ahead and size out my tips. I didn't do much prep today. I just pushed up my cuticles and applied a peel-off base coat, and here we are. Once I got those on, I am going to go in with one of the hand files they sent me and reshape and refile them off camera. Once I'm finished, I'm going to jump right in with my application of the acrylic. So for the first nail, I am going in with the Everyday Nude, and I am going to apply that to the whole nail. I did apply that to, I believe, the pinky and the pointer finger. And then I'm going to use the Hot Flames on the other 3 fingers. So I will let you guys go ahead and watch me apply this, because it is straightforward. I'm just going to apply that Everyday Nude. As you guys can see up in the corner in my screen, I do have some little embellishments that I received in my package as well. I took out some little heart ones. And so I'm going to use those as well to incorporate with this nail style. So yes, I'm going to let you guys sit back and watch this, and I will pop back in if I need to explain anything further. And I know a lot of people, like, you know, people that are more experienced, they have like the 3 bead method, the 2 bead method, the 1 bead method. I've seen so many. Me, I use multiple beads because like I am a beginner, but also I just do what feels comfortable. So I just, you know, I try to do a little bit by a little bit, and I feel like that helps me to achieve like what I'm, you know, going for in the end. So I would say work in small beads, and then don't worry about trying to do like the 3 bead method. If you can, then great, but if not, if it takes you multiple beads, then that's fine as well, because I feel like with filing and shaping and everything, you can get the nails, you know, nice and crisp how you want them. So if they do look a little bulky, you know, don't worry too much, because you can always save them, you know, a little bit by, you know, going in with that foul and that e-foul sometimes. So yes, just wanted to say that I did just go ahead and apply that and smooth it out. I made sure to kind of be careful around my cuticle area. I'm trying to work on my cuticle area getting nice and crisp, and also having that apex. And honestly, with this thing, I think I did pretty good. I feel like my application is still like not as satisfying as I would like it to be, but I am a beginner, so I'm going to cut myself a little bit of slack here. And yeah, so I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you guys are, don't forget to like and subscribe. That does help me out so much, you guys. And also, if you are feeling generous, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And again, I hope you guys are having a great day. Today is Monday, so happy Monday. Hope you guys had a great weekend. And yeah, if not, I hope your day does get better, and I will pop back in when I need to. Like, I really love this color. And I just wanted to say one more thing. Working with the glitter acrylic, or like the hot flames versus the nude, I can definitely tell the difference. I feel like the nude went on super smooth. Well, they both went on really smooth, so I will say that they both have that buttery consistency. I feel like with the foil acrylic, or like the hot flames acrylic, with it having the foils and like the little glitter pieces in it, I feel like it was not hard to work with, but because I've never used it before, I did have to kind of get like that initial application down, because I felt like it was like all being stuck in one area even when I was trying to smooth it out. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. But I just added a little bit more monomer to my brush, and I just kind of smoothed it out a little bit more, and I was able to get it as smooth as I could. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. I did take some clear acrylic, which I have, it's off screen, but I am using that to go ahead and place my embellishments. I just placed like a little bead of a clear acrylic where I wanted my embellishment to be, and then I picked up my embellishment and put it on there. And yeah, and then once I'm done with all of that, I will encapsulate all of the nails with clear, just so I can seal that in and protect it once I go into file. I also will add some of the little hearts to the nude nails as well, which you guys will see later on in the video. And I did just want to say one more thing. I did do my thumb off camera, so if you don't see me do it, that is why. I did save that one for a reel for Instagram. I'm trying to get more into making like my reels and my shorts, and even like on TikTok. So yes, I'm going to try to do that for each set. Maybe like dedicate one nail to like a reel or to like a short or something like that. So yes, just wanted to mention that. Also, if you don't already, follow me on my Instagram at neeksnails_, and then TikTok, it is neek_4. I will leave all that stuff linked down below, you guys, but I am trying to get my followers up. I am close to 1,000 followers on Instagram, so if you're not already, make sure you head over there and follow me. I do follow everyone back. and then also as well on TikTok, because I am trying to get more into the hang of, you know, posting TikToks and everything like that. So yeah, help your girl out. And this video is sped up just a little bit because it was just a little bit on the longer side. So once I get my application all down, I am going to go back in with that clear, and here you can see me adding my little hearts. And I did add those at the tip of the nude nails, and then I added 3 to the glitter nails. For the thumbnail, it was the glitter color as well, but I didn't add anything to it. I just left it plain. So now I'm just encapsulating with my clear acrylic really fast, and then we'll move on to fouling. Here's how the nails are looking after encapsulation. Now I'm going to go in with my hand file and reshape and file them. I did do this off camera, you guys, just because it would have been a very, very long process. So yes. And I only use my hand file for the set. So after I got done filing, here's how they're looking. I did go ahead and wash them really fast. After I wash them off, I am going to go in with some top coat. And that's going to be pretty much it for this set today, you guys. This is how they look after I wash them. And so yeah, I really did enjoy this acrylic. Like, yeah, you're definitely going to see me using it in some future uploads. I'm going to be purchasing some more because, yeah, like for a beginner, this is perfect quality, like super smooth, super buttery. It's definitely giving what it needs to give. And yeah, I love this set. I think the little gold hearts really just kind of gave it a little something more, with the hot flames acrylic, like with the little gold or yellow reflective glitters and foils in it, and then with the little gold you know, heart charms. Yeah, I think it's a look. It's definitely giving Valentine's Day to me. What do you guys think? Is it giving Valentine's Day? Yes or no? Yeah, I think it is though. So I really did love it. I love how it turned out. I really did enjoy everything that I used today. I love my package, and yeah, I just can't wait to get more into my acrylic, you guys, because I feel like once I get into the acrylic, you know, like, you know, I don't know, I'm trying to elevate. So, you know, tapping into my acrylic is just like, you know, moving on up. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am going to go ahead and apply my cuticle oil really fast to go ahead and get those nails and those cuticles back crisp and nourished, you know. So yeah, you guys, anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys love this set. Let me know what you think down below. Please comment. If you are watching and you are not subscribed, please take 2 seconds and subscribe. It helps me out so much, you guys. I'm trying to reach my 1,000 followers mark. Also trying to get my, you know, my views up and everything. So please make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And yeah, stay tuned to the end so you guys can see some more close-ups. Like, look at that, it's giving. Like, okay, my acrylic application looks pretty decent. Like, I'm not even mad at it at all. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Like, please let me know what you guys think down below. I would love to hear, you know, what the set is giving. If you guys like it, whatever. All right, talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.